It's a moment in time in Africa where the continent is striving for a recovery of human capital to meet the demand for skill, global innovations, and cutting-edge technology. Having acquired performance match and recognition with world standard organizations, companies, and institutes, Chillen Media Institute is offering advanced world-class training in cutting-edge technology of the information technology and media industry to meet up with the training for apt professionals in fields of digital film and video production, recording arts and show production, full-stack web development, software and mobile app development, graphic designing and web development, digital marketing and advertisement. These disciplines span from simple and complex graphic design to video production and movie making. The recording arts and show production span from singing school to music school to develop apt engineers, musicians and singers in music production and showbiz for all occasions. The mobile app and web development as well as digital marketing is geared towards ensuring a risen Africa. With this rare scholarship offer from Chillen Media Institute, it's time for every aspiring student to rush and grab this opportunity to prepare themselves for the future of Africa. You can find out more about this from www.institute.chillenmedia.com, or you can contact +237 677 291300. You can locate the institute directly behind Eta Palace Hotel, Boya, Southwest region of Cameroon. You will find Chillen Media Institute, where practicals and theory meets career.